Here's a 2007 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Auxiliary audio input, front heated leather bucket seats, push-button start, power sliding and tilting sunroof, i6 engine, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, dual-zone climate control, X-Drive 4-wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front airbag, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com finds whether your priority is an engaging driving experience, an elegant cabin environment, or simply curbside prestige, this car delivers in spades. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.